Doing day 2 of our $1,000 in 1 week challenge. Yesterday we made about 160 in 7 hours, but we do have another $55 coming for yesterday once we complete the bonus. It's 12:48. I'm about to go in Target now to shop for my first shipped order. Alright, so we took care of shopping for that shipped order. I'm heading on to drop off this first order now. Making good time. Now, normally with gig work, you don't have a schedule laid out, but with Shipt, you're able to do that, which I really like about Shipt. Normally, you're always chasing the next order, but now that I have the 5 orders lined up, it's just a laid back, easygoing day. Yeah, buddy. Just dropped off those 2 shipped orders. After I dropped them off, I headed on over to Stop and Shop. That's where my 3rd shipped order for the day is. So a little change of scenery here. Let's head on into Stop and Shop, see how this order goes.
Okay, I might try it.
After I dropped that order off, I got another shipped bundle offered to me for the 5 and 6 drop-off window. So I ended up taking that and canceling my initial bundle I had. It'll be better for me to do these other ones. I'm glad I got the other offer. So yeah, in regards to dropping orders, as long as you drop orders more than 1 hour before the delivery window, you could drop as many as you want. So don't be afraid to drop them. Once I finish getting the bonuses, then I promo hunt. So I go for max promo orders. Normally these will be hard to get. Like the main time that I get these are like 7 to 10 o'clock, like at night. Alright, so just got to Target. I'm gonna go shop these 4 orders. That'll keep me busy for the next 2 hours. And then that'll finish up the bonus. But yeah, enough talking. Well, that was easy. We just shopped for those 4 shipped orders. Heading on out to deliver the first one now. I'm going to deliver the furthest one first because I'm very early. I still have an hour until the drop-off window for my 3rd and 4th order. I might just drop them off early. Alright, so this customer is about 15 more minutes away, so I'll update you guys once I take care of these 4 orders. Such a nice view. Took care of those 4 shipped orders. I did drop off the 3rd one 10 minutes early. That's not too bad. Close enough to the delivery window. I did drop off the 4th order 5:15, so I decided to stop track of my mileage at that time. Probably going to call it a day. I might work more later. If I do, I'll just add that on to the end of the video for you. I added up my total income so far. Approximately, we're at $325. Now, we worked 11 and a half hours, 4 hours, 15 minutes today, 7 hours, 15 minutes yesterday. That equals about $29 per hour. Now, you got to consider gas, wear and tear, oil changes, tires, car maintenance. Our goal for the week is $1,000. So we are about 32% of the way there. Tomorrow will be interesting. It is Wednesday. That's the slowest day. I gotta check, see if there's any Shipt promos. Most likely we'll be doing food delivery tomorrow. I did hit that Shipt promo. 14 orders, $77. So that deserves a steak dinner. Eating good in the neighborhood tonight. Now, in order to get the most Shipt orders, you do want to understand that they did change the way that they send offers out. Now, they also include your location when sending out offers, so it's not just stats. It's also how close you are to the store. So you're going to want to stay close to your store if you need like another order to finish a bonus. If you got like Uber Eats, Doordash, just try to do deliveries in the area, and being close to the store, you'll be more likely to get an offer. Now I got another preferred member today. That definitely helps with getting offers. You get those offers first if they're from your preferred customers. That definitely helps with the bonuses. Hopefully we get some more tips today. Update you guys as they come in, as the week goes. Like always, please drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Let me know how you feel in the comments below. And please consider subscribing to support the channel so you don't miss out on future videos. That does it for me. Hope you guys are doing well. Mr. Hustle, out.